Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be creating the mini Alice in Wonderland garden. So magical, so whimsical. I want to show you everything I got, and if I got links I would definitely put them down below, so check the description box. I got this lovely mushroom over here from Amazon. This kind of background I actually created myself, just using a very small ornated picture frame, and I just put a little bit of gold tint on there and a little picture from a napkin, and I've put some ornate wood, the kind of ones I use for my furniture, and some sticky stickers with flowers, and yeah, that's how I created it. And the little spirals you see there are all glued on with rope, so that's how I kind of got that kind of bumpy panelled door effect there. So that's all string there, which has been glued on, and I just think it makes a lovely backdrop. I've obviously purchased Alice in Wonderland. She was on a deal from Amazon, so I don't know whether she still is, but I'll leave a link below. I've got this wooden rabbit, which I will adjust to the purpose. So I got that from eBay, and they did a deal, they best offer. So what I'm thinking to do with this rabbit is paint him white and make him the white rabbit in Alice in Wonderland, and also maybe put a little bit of checkered details on his arms and legs. I've got this lovely, it's a metal plaque that I got, and it's about the Madhouse from Amazon. I think they still do that. I also purchased the Mad Hatter. He's very expensive, but I got a deal and I found him literally brand new, still in the box, on eBay. So that's how I managed to get the Mad Hatter. So I think maybe you could have a look. I wouldn't leave a recommendation for that on Amazon because it'd be too pricey. This lovely garden teapot here, I just loved it, the colours, and also I got this other cup with a little fairy on there, and I just loved all the colours, and I just thought that would be lovely and colourful. They also had a pumped up clock. It's for a party, so I love the gold, and I think it is for an Alice in Wonderland party, so if it's still there I can link this, and I think that would look great against my red fence, because it would definitely pop. I bought this wooden table, again from Amazon, and it's one that you would just make up yourself, and I think that would be great for the table, so they can have their little tea party on. So that's my idea for that. Also, I bought some of the checkered racing paper, but you know, Alice in Wonderland, it always has the chessboard, and then I got these arrows as well, which were great, and I think these are for parties, for children, and they're really great quality card, and they just have directions on there for the tea party. Then I bought some checkered, it's kind of a waterproofy, sticky backdrop, and then I thought I'm going to use this to put everything on the little table that I'm going to display it on, so it's got the checkerboard effect, which is very Alice in Wonderland, and again it's also Mackenzie Child's kind of decor, which I really like. I also purchased the Cheshire Cat himself from Amazon, so they do sell him as well, and I just thought you can't have the tea party without all of the great characters. So I'm going to stick the checkerboard onto this little plywood that I purchased, and that's going to go on the table, and then everything will go on top of it, and I think that is how I'm going to sort that out. And yeah, I can't wait to get on with it and show you. Let's put some music on and just show you how I'm going to do everything. bought this like buffalo plaid checkered tissue, and I'm going to be using this. I'm going to like thin it out, and then I'm going to be like decoupage onto this table. So we're going to have a nice checkered tabletop, and I'm just going to leave the legs white, and I think that would just look really, really nice for the table. Yeah, so you've seen outside how it looks at the moment with the checkered boards, and I think it makes a big illusion of, you know, it's definitely Alice in Wonderland feel. So I've got this to do, and then I've got some chairs that I'm going to paint outside. I'm going to paint them white. They're like cast iron little chairs. They're going to be for the Mad Hatter and Alice. I've also got a little tea set that I'm going to show you as well. Porcelain tea set, very cheap. You can get from eBay for just a doll's house. And yeah, so let's do this first. So I've got this, and yeah, I'm just going to get ready to apply the top of the table. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I loved creating this, so I'm very happy to share it. And I also shared this in a short, and I'm going to, if you haven't seen it, I'll put it at the end of this video for those of you that are interested. Hope to see you all again for another video. I decided to do a mini Alice in Wonderland garden. So here you can see the arrows I purchased from Amazon to tell you where the Mad Hatter's tea party is. And there'll be no Alice without the handsome white rabbit and also the cheeky Cheshire cat. The Mad Hatter himself, of course, pouring out the tea to the gorgeous Alice. And there is the wonderful Mad Hatter's tea party. I hope you all enjoyed.